you want to make a limitation of purchasing from a collection, then in this video I will show the exact process how you can do it very easily. So let's begin. For this I installed this app, Ninja Order Limits Quantity, the checkout validator. From the Shopify app store, you can also download it. After installing the app, go here, create validation, then create a cart validation. Give a title like limit the number of quantity purchasing from a collection. Then add a rule. Here select the condition. Limit product can purchase from a collection. Then select the collection. Here I am choosing this hydrogen collection. Then give the maximum quantity. Here I am giving 3. Then add the action. Show error message on checkout page. Here type the message like you can only purchase 3 products from this collection. Then active the status and save this. Now people can only purchase maximum 3 products from this hydrogen collection, or if they want to purchase more than 3 products from this collection, then this message will pop up on their checkout page. So let's check it on the online store. If I add more than 3 products from this collection, then you can see the error message. But if I choose less than 3 products from this collection, then you can see there is no error message. So in this way you can do it very easily. So if you like the video, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. And if you have any doubt in your mind, then please let me know in the comment section. And that's all today guys. I will see you in the next one. Bye.